International Youth Day is commemorated every year on 12 August to bring youth issues to the attention of the international community and celebrate the potential of youth as partners in today's global society. This day gives an opportunity to celebrate and mainstream young people's choices, actions, and initiatives, as well as their meaningful, universal, and equitable engagement. This day was established by the UN General Assembly, which on 17 December 1999 endorsed the recommendation made by the World Conference of Ministers responsible for youth, calling for 12 August to be declared as International Youth Day. The theme of International Youth Day 2021 is Transforming Food Systems, Youth Innovation for Human and Planetary Health, with the aim of highlighting that the success of such a global effort will not be achieved without the meaningful participation of young people.
ਜਿਵੇਂ ਸਮਾਜ ਤੋਂ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਮਨੁੱਖ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਹਿ ਸਕਦਾ, ਉਸੇ ਹੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਮਨੁੱਖ ਤੋਂ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਚੰਗੇ ਸਮਾਜ ਦੀ ਸਿਰਜਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੀ। ਸੋ ਸਮਾਜ ਦੇ ਵਿਕਾਸ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਮਹੱਤਵਪੂਰਨ ਭੂਮਿਕਾ ਹੈ ਨੌਜਵਾਨ ਪੀੜ੍ਹੀ ਦੀ। ਨੌਜਵਾਨ ਪੀੜ੍ਹੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਕੁਝ ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰੀਆਂ ਹਨ। ਜੇ ਉਹ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਿਭਾਉਣ ਤਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਚੰਗੇ ਰਾਸ਼ਟਰ ਦਾ ਨਿਰਮਾਣ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, ਇੱਕ ਚੰਗੇ ਸਮਾਜ ਦਾ ਵਿਕਾਸ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰੀਆਂ ਦੀ। ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰੀ ਹੈ ਨੌਜਵਾਨ ਪੀੜ੍ਹੀ ਦੀ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਇੱਕ ਚੰਗਾ ਨਾਗਰਿਕ ਬਣਨ। ਇੱਕ ਚੰਗਾ ਨਾਗਰਿਕ ਹੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਚੰਗਾ ਸੋਚ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, ਆਪਣੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਦੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਚੰਗਾ ਸੋਚ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਫਸਟ ਪ੍ਰਾਇਓਰਿਟੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਚੰਗਾ ਨਾਗਰਿਕ ਬਣਨ। ਦੂਜੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰੀ ਹੈ ਨੌਜਵਾਨ ਪੀੜ੍ਹੀ ਦੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਸਮਾਜ ਦੇ ਵਿਕਾਸ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਕੁਝ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਉਪਰਾਲੇ ਕਰਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਸਮਾਜ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਬੁਰਾਈਆਂ ਜਾਂ ਕੁਝ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਕੁਰੀਤੀਆਂ ਹਨ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਖਤਮ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਹਾਈ ਹੋ ਸਕਣ।
As youth plays very vital role in the development of our nation. Youth plays very role in our country for their development. As we can see, there are many doctors, many teachers, many professors. They are all our backbone. So there are youth who will become the teachers, professors, doctors, etc. As we compare our system with the traditional one, there was much discrimination at that time. But with the development of technology and education, today's educated youth and all this discrimination and untouchable acts so that our country will develop as much as can. Technology are also a very vital role in our development. So today's youth doing much in the field of technology as well. So youth are our backbone. Thank you.
There is a quote by Gerald Ford: "A great nation cannot abandon its responsibilities. Responsibilities abandoned today return as more acute crisis tomorrow. Time has come to make a commitment to build a strong nation with a universal image. It can be done with the active participation of the youth only. Any society, it can achieve and fulfill its dreams and aspirations with the holistic and empathetic contribution of the youth. It is the need of the hour that the youths, they should empower themselves with the 3 Ds, that is dream, dare and determination, for building an inclusive society."
The youth are the strength of our society. They are the face of the future of our nation. They are impulsive and sensitive, but at the same time, if they have decided their target, there is no coming back until they achieve it. They are kind and humble and also believe in power and ideologies. If we take a look at the history of our nation, we can see remarkable examples of Shahid Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, and Chandrasekhar Azad, who had sacrificed their youth and lives for the freedom of our nation. If we take a look at present, we can see great examples like our local NGO, Careness and Awareness Welfare Society, with whom I've been linked since 2018. Even during COVID-19 pandemic, they didn't sit back. They went door to door to sanitize people's houses and also to help them. They distribute grocery at slums. They are also inspiring youth to stay away from drugs and to contribute in social welfare. They are organizing vaccination camps around us. They are also providing volunteering opportunities for the youth like me and you. They are the future of our nation. Therefore, youth are empowering our nation. The role of the youth is to simply refresh, renew, and to maintain.
मुखमंडल तेजस्वी हो, वाणी ओजस्वी हो, शरीर में शक्ति हो, मन में उत्साह हो, सद्बुद्धि और विवेक हो, हृदय में करुणा हो, युवा पीढ़ी ऐसी हो, मातृभूमि से प्रेम हो, मन जिसका स्थिर हो, आत्मविश्वास दृढ़ हो, इच्छा शक्ति प्रबल हो, लक्ष्य जिसका ऊंचा हो, जीवन में अनुशासन हो, युवा पीढ़ी ऐसी हो, मधुर प्रेममयी वाणी हो, गुरुजनों का सम्मान हो, दीन दुखियों का मित्र हो, सेवा में सदा तत्पर हो, जीवन पूर्ण नैतिक हो, चरित्र जिसका शुद्ध हो, युवा पीढ़ी ऐसी हो.
So, to conclude, we will say that it is very important to ensure that youths are heard alongside the other communities, as this community will form a key element in an inclusive recovery and the achievement of sustainable development goals of our country. Thank you very much.